Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Tuesday. It is day 127 of the Quarantine Gardeners and we're in our backyard.
And guys, if you don't know, we're the Quarantine Gardeners and this is our daily video log of us accomplishing projects around our garden while under quarantine.
And thank you so much for joining us and being here today. We really appreciate it and we would love for you to hit that button down below and subscribe so you don't miss out on our daily videos.
So guys, today we are deadheading our coneflower plants. And so there's a couple reasons why you want to do that, and we'll go over that when we deadhead it, and you can see what we're doing and how to do it yourselves in your garden.
Yeah, we love coneflowers. We're growing quite a few different colors and sizes. And if you've ever grown Echinacea, you know you want it to last as long as possible. Usually it will, but again, we'll tell you a little more as we show you how to deadhead on the plant.
Okay, so we're looking here, we're in our backyard and we're looking at our coneflower. Don't mind a little bit of droopiness on it. It was a pretty heat intensive day today, the second day in a row here. So a lot of our plants are looking a little droopy, but it's a beautiful coneflower. Which one is this, honey?
This is Cheyenne Spirit. So the coneflowers are just popping up in colors of orange and kind of a reddish orange. We've got pink hues. There should be cream as well. We haven't seen those yet.
Beautiful. Okay, so coneflowers. We're gonna deadhead this guy today. So guys, a couple things on coneflowers and deadheading. Really, the coneflowers, they'll keep flowering over the summer. If you do deadhead them or if you don't, they really don't need to be deadheaded to keep them flowering per se, unless it's a specific species or cultivar. But it's good to keep them deadheaded because it keeps them nice and tidy and looking really good and beautiful.
Yeah, like Sean said, that's pretty much the only reason through the summer why you would want to deadhead. We actually prefer to leave the heads on. Through the summer, we'll deadhead them, but at the end of the summer, into the fall, we'll leave them on. We're not going to deadhead them because they're great for fall pollinators, for birds. They get to eat the seeds, and we like to provide that for them. So here's a great example of a coneflower that's ready to be deadheaded. So we're gonna follow the plant stem all the way down. We're gonna keep going, and here's the next incoming bud.
Oh, there it is.
Like Sean explained, like you don't actually have to deadhead these because they're gonna come up regardless. But this guy's looking a little spent and we're just gonna take care of it right now. So since there's no other flower on this other stem, we're gonna go all the way down, being really careful of the next incoming flower, and we're just gonna snip.
Yep, guys, you just want to make that pruning cut right above that bud. So then all the nutrients and the plant will say, oh, you want me to grow here, I'll grow up here and flower there. Cool.
So Sean, here's an example of a flower, but I don't see an incoming bud, so I'm not sure where to cut.
So if we look a little bit further down the stem, we can keep going. So there's one right there.
Oh, cool. I didn't even see that.
So if you don't see one there, what you need to do is go down to the next leaf axil where the leaves come out and look to see if there's another bud in there. And so I don't know if you guys can see that really well, but there is another bud developing and shoot developing right there. And so we need to make the cut just above it right here.
Okay. So that is how you deadhead coneflowers. I learned something new. We're gonna keep working on this container a little bit until we have all the spent flowers removed and then wait for the next flush of growth to flower.
So guys, go ahead and leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you guys. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And that's a wrap for Quarantine Gardeners today. So we'll be back tomorrow with our Wildlife Wednesday tips. So come on back as we show you something in our garden related to wildlife.
Until then, we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye everybody.
Bye-bye.